In today's video, I'm going to teach you guide how to remove edit with Base44 button. Let's start by opening your published app. This is the live version people see in their browser. On the page, you'll notice a small edit with Base44 button or watermark. It's there to make quick editing easy for builders, but if you're sharing the app publicly, you may want it hidden. Now switch over to your Base44 workspace for this app. This is the editor environment where you manage and configure your project. From the workspace, head to the dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub and the quickest route to key configuration areas for the app. From the dashboard, open Settings. This is where you'll find controls that apply to the entire app, not just a single page or component. Inside Settings, choose App Settings. App Settings contains branding and publishing related options, including whether that edit watermark appears on your published site. In App Settings, look for the option to hide the Edit with Base44 watermark or button. You'll see a toggle or button for this. If your account doesn't include the required plan, this control will appear locked. That lock simply means the feature is only available on certain tiers, so the UI won't let you enable it unless your workspace has access. There isn't anything else to configure here if it's locked. Just be aware that the visibility of the watermark is controlled by your plan level. If the option is available to you and you've made a change, the next step is to publish those changes. Click Publish in the workspace. This opens the publishing panel that pushes your current configuration to the live app. Then select Publish App. Publishing ensures any changes you made in app settings are actually applied to the production site your visitors see. With that done, return to your live web app and refresh the page. A normal refresh is often enough, but if you don't see the change right away, try a hard refresh to clear cached assets. After the page reloads, the Edit with Base44 button should no longer appear if the hide option was enabled and successfully published. If the control was locked in your workspace, the button will remain visible, which simply reflects the current plan's capabilities. That's it. You visited your published app to confirm the watermark, navigated through the workspace to App Settings, used the hide control if available, published the update, and then refreshed your live app to verify the result.